It's about time I finally have some fun with you two. You seem like you are pretty strong. I can sense that in you. But you're lacking in what you could do is become perfected with your craft. But you can't do that, can you? It's because you're a human, destined to be born and destined to die. So, why don't you take that extra step in becoming perfect and become a demon like me? Do not look at me with such dreadful eyes. If you become a demon, you could have power, such as mine, or even more strong. You have potential of becoming a very powerful demon. Just give in. That's all you have to do. What a waste of talent, then. If you want to stay human, be my guest. You're still going to die by my hands anyway. You still stand with confidence. I applaud you for even trying to go against me. An upper rank moon has more power than you would ever have in your life. And that's why the first upper moon wanted to leave this job to me. And that's why he ran away after killing Shigaraki. Obviously, he doesn't have time for weak humans. Because I myself do not have time for weak humans. They disgust me in every way. Makes me sick to my stomach. I don't even want to look at you anymore. And that's why I'm going to kill you right here and right now. You still stand with a strong sense of honor. You have a strong soul. You and your sibling. Even though only one of you have unlocked the power of their Demon Slayer mark, you're still too weak to fight me one-on-one. Although, I can sense you have a lot of power inside of you. But that means nothing to me, because I am an upper moon, and I can kill you with such ease. You don't believe me, do you? Fine. I will give you a demonstration of my power. Technique development. Destructive Death Compass Needle. I can sense your fighting spirit. You won't be able to get away from me. I can sense your every single movement with your will of fighting. You should just give up now. Or become a demon, like me, and we can fight for eternity. Fine. It's your deathbed, then. Technique development. Destructive death. That wasn't supposed to happen. It looks like I punched right through your younger sibling. How does that make you feel? Trying to save your own sibling's life. But in the end, I take away your sibling's life with my own bare hand. Do you feel anger? You want to kill me. I can sense the anger inside of you because of my compass needle technique. You have the will of anger inside of you. Why waste it as a human when you could become a demon yourself? Think of it. As much strength as you want. No longer you'll be able to age at all. You will be invincible. Think about how many people you could kill. Think about how many people you could eat and gain their strength. Come on. Don't waste your anger on me. Let me help you become a demon. And you can take out that anger on the ones you actually hate, and not just of recently. So, what do you say? I knew you'd change your mind. Now, hold still. So I can give you some blood. And done. That transformation will happen rapidly. You better control yourself, otherwise that blood will make you evaporate. You can feel it, can't you? Your body is changing. You are becoming a demon. Can't you feel that power rushing through your veins? Your heartbeat. It's slowing down? What are you doing? You still are trying to fight against me once I turned you into a demon? Now, why didn't I think of that? You're very smart. I can give you that. I can still sense your anger inside of you, though. So do not even try raising that sword. 'Cause if you do, I'll break it in half with my own bare fist. Good. Now, why don't you get back up on the surface? Cause some mayhem. Kill people. Hell, even with your rage, you could probably kill the demon that are up there, killing people themselves. Why don't you go do that for yourself? Let that anger out. Let it control you. And you can be the ruler of this world. Yourself. With the help of us, of course. Because we are on your side now. You don't want to turn our own teammates now. What? This is bastard. He cut right through my neck without me sensing him. I'm not gonna die here. I don't want to die here. No, I can't regenerate. I'm gonna die. Without even being at my strongest, I'm gonna die to this new-founded demon. Curse you. Curse you. No. I can sense my death coming. No. It can't happen like this. It can't. Subjects of Nimir, and all of this founded world. My name is Aaron Yeager, and I'm speaking to you directly through the powers of the Founder and my newfound powers as well. Hear me when I say this. This world is no longer going to be ruled by human beings. More of ghouls, monsters, and myself. I will not be changing this world, for it disgusts me. This world will know the true meaning of fear, alongside me and Lord Muzan. We will trample this world of its humans until there's no trace of humanity left.